Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about competitor analysis. It has 7 steps, and we will discuss it one by one. Number one is identify current and future competitors in the market. In this step, the company has to first analyze what is their target product. Suppose the company is currently selling a hair oil, therefore they have to need that how many branded and unbranded players are existing in the market. They have, for example, if a company, they also have to know that if a new company is starting to sell hair oil, or if any current company might to stop selling the hair oil. They also have to know that their customer prefers some other product over there. For example, a customer prefer hair serum over hair oil. By doing this, they will know about the direct and indirect competition in the market. Second step is finding market share. In this step, the company has to know the market share of the competitor. By doing this, they will find out the strengths and weaknesses of the competitor. And if your product is selling in a wide range, you need to break down the region into territories and find out the share of the wallet in each territory. While doing this, you can also do a mini research and find a reason for the sale of your competition. Is it selling because it is easily available, or the quality is high, or the price is low? The next step is performing SWOT analysis. In this step, the SWOT analysis, that is strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of the competitors, is performed. And this is important because you have to know that which company you have to benchmark and which are the strategies you have to implement. Fourth step is build competition portfolio. In this step, competition portfolio is made. A competition portfolio will have each and every product of your competitors, their features, logistic, tangible features, for example, product qualities, intangible features, for example, product services, etc. This portfolio might need to be updated time to time, because if there is any change by the competitor, you have to update the portfolio. Next step is plan strategies. In this step, strategies are planned, and there are two ways to plan the strategies. Number one is you have to move with the same strategies using by the competitor, or you go with some more creative and innovative strategies by yourself. Next step is execute strategies. In this step, implementation of the strategies are started, and this step is very important because many of the strategies fail during implementation stage. So you also have a contingency plan, or plan B, if any competitors have a very strong reaction against you, so you can start a contingency plan side by side. The last step is follow up. The follow up step is very important. You have to follow up your strategies, that the strategies are implementing in the same direction which you want to, in the direction you want to follow. So statistics are very always very useful for a firm, so which help in the decision making of the company.